Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find blocked users on Snapchat. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Have you ever wondered how to find blocked Snapchat users? Whether it's out of curiosity or the need to reconnect, understanding how to access this list can be quite handy. Snapchat makes it a bit tricky by hiding their profiles once you block them, but there's a straightforward way to see who's on your block list and even unblock them if you choose. And in this video, we'll show you how to do it. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Snapchat. Now you can tap on the up left corner on your Bitmoji on here. You can go to settings by tap on the up right corner on the gear icon in here. Now you're on settings, you can just scroll down. On account action section, there is an option blocked users. You can just tap on that. So here's the block list on your Snapchat. Here's all of the accounts, all of the Snapchat user that you've blocked from your Snapchat. And if you want to, if you decide to unblock one of them, you can just tap on the X icon on there. Now you can tap on yes. So the user will be removed from your blocked list. So it's a simple right to find the blocked users list on your Snapchat. So that is how to find blocked users on Snapchat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!